it's Linda Medeiros, director with The Paper Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. Today, I am doing something with leftover ham. I have some ham, so I'm doing some scalloped potatoes and ham kind of casserole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what's going on over here. So I've got some butter in my enamel casserole, and I'm just going to put this on real quick so you can see. And we're going to whisk in some, I've already got the butter melting, so we're going to whisk in a little bit of milk, and you can use cream if you wanted to. I just decided milk here. And I'm gonna put in, because I like garlic a lot, I'm gonna put in just like 3 small cloves of garlic. And we're just gonna whisk that in once I've got this all in here. And I've, for some reason, peeled my garlic, which you don't have to do with this garlic press. I love my garlic press. If you don't have it, you really want it. Then I'm going to take my stainless steel whisk and just kind of whisk this. You can tell I burned a little bit, well, kind of browned my butter a little bit more than what I wanted to. So here's what I'm going to do. And let's see if I've got some light issues there. I've got a couple of potatoes. And I'm going to use my simple slicer here to cut them. And I'm going to do them very, very thin, okay? And so I've got my simple slicer. We're going to put it on the one because I want these really thin. And I'm just going to, I don't know if you can see how thin these are slicing. So let's move. So we've got that going. And we're just going to add these potatoes. And we're going to cook these just a little bit, okay? And I'm not adding any, I'm going to actually do the rest of the other potato too, because I think it can do the rest of the potato. So I've added the second potato because I really think that it can actually absorb all of that. So we're just adding that. Let me get something to kind of mix it just a little bit. And one of the things, this is my small mixing scraper, I love this. So one of the things that I love about this enameled baker, the cast iron enameled, the 2-quart, is that this is enough for Michael and I with leftovers, because we're gonna have another night or some lunches with it, but we'll also have enough for, you know, if I had the 4 of us here, it would be enough for all 4 of us also. And I am just kind of adding some of my cubed, just a little bit of my cubed ham. And then finally, I am going to sprinkle it with some cheddar cheese. So I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so as you can see, I added a little bit of broccoli too. This is frozen broccoli. It's frozen a little bit. And what I love about this enameled cast iron is I can also just, you know, start it on top of the stove and then finish it off in the oven, which is perfect, perfect, perfect for us. And these are so thinly sliced that they're going to take about 20 minutes. That's it. And I used my adjustable grater and I just grated some fresh cheddar cheese. And you know how I feel about bags of cheddar, so I like fresh grated, so I am just putting that on top. And if you notice, I did not add any salt, again, because of the ham is very salty. So this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about, let's do this, for about 20 minutes. And then it's going to be like really bubbly and all of that. And I'm hoping really good. So I will show you what it looks like when it's done. So that is done. It was so darn easy because all, you know, leftover ham, some sliced potatoes with that simple slicer, some cheese, milk, butter, all done. Oh, of course I added the broccoli too. So that was 20 minutes in the oven, came out nice and bubbly. I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to like my Facebook group. Oh, join my Facebook group, What's Linda Cooking, because more videos, more fun, and all that other stuff. So thanks so much for joining me. Talk to you soon.